Welcome to this Functional Skills Level 1 Maths training video. This video contains information and guidance on Criterion 19. Calculate discounts in multiples of 5% on amounts of money. At Level 1 and by the end of this session, you should be able to understand what a discount is and why it is used in shopping and sales. Find 5% of an amount of money by dividing by 20. Calculate multiples of 5% by scaling up and subtract the discount from the original price to find the final cost. What is a discount and why is it used in shopping and sales? A discount is a reduction in price. Shops use discounts to attract customers and encourage them to buy products. Discounts are usually given as a percentage of the original price, for example, 10% off or 25% off. Knowing how to calculate discounts helps you make better spending decisions and to avoid overspending. To work out a 5% discount, follow these steps. First, find 1% of the amount. Divide the total price by 100. Next, multiply by 5. This gives 5% of the total. For example, if we want to find 5% of £80, first we divide £80 by 100, which gives us 0.8 or 80p. Next, we multiply 0.8 by 5, which gives us 4. 5% of £80 is £4. A quicker way to find 5% is to divide the total price by 20. Looking at the same question, if we divide £80 by 20, this also gives us 4. Here are some questions for you to try. Pause the video while you have a go, then press play to check your answers. Let's check the answers. Pause the video while you do this. Once you know 5% of an amount, you can find higher discounts by multiplying. For example, to find 10%, double 5%. To find 15%, multiply 5% by 3, and so on. There are other methods you can use too. For example, to find 10%, you can divide the amount by 10, rather than dividing by 20 when you're looking for 5%. Here are some questions for you to try. Pause the video while you have a go, then press play to check your answers. Let's check the answers. Pause the video while you do this. To work out the final price after a discount, subtract the discount from the original price. For example, if a jacket costs £120 originally and has a 10% discount, first we find the 10%. £120 divided by 10 equals £12. Then we subtract this from the original price. £120 minus £12 equals £108. So, the jacket will cost £108 after the discount. Here's a question for you to try. You receive a 20% off coupon from your supermarket. Your shopping adds up to a total of £149.20. What is the total price you pay after applying your 20% off coupon? Pause the video while you have a go, then press play when you're ready to check the answer. Let's check the answer. Pause the video while you do this. Here are a few tips to help you when answering percentage discount questions. Always check your calculations, especially when working with money. Estimate your discount first to see if your final answer makes sense. Use a calculator for larger amounts or to double-check your work. However, make sure you can calculate discounts without the use of a calculator, as questions may appear on a non-calculator paper. Let's try a couple of exam questions. Pause the video while you work out the answer to this first question, then press play when you're ready to check the answer. Here's the answer. Pause the video while you check it, then press play to move on to the next question. Here's the final exam question. Pause the video while you have a go, then press play to check your answer. Let's check your answer. Again, pause the video while you do this, then press play to continue. Let's recap what you've learnt in this video. You should now be able to understand what a discount is and why it is used in shopping and sales, find 5% of an amount of money by dividing by 20, calculate multiples of 5% by scaling up, and subtract the discount from the original price to find the final cost. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.